doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And the sedation, idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I was swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean.
Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. How's it going? Good morning, Nussmine Baloney. Hello. How's it going this morning? I still have technical issues. I think because I updated my drivers on my computer, now it's not sending the signal to my iPad. Very annoying, so I'll have to be debugging that at some point. But it's fine for tomorrow because we're doing Hollow Knight, so that's fine. Yeah, kind of annoying. So it's not the iPad Pro, it's definitely the computer, but I'm suspecting it's related to the driver update I did recently. Kind of annoying. Computers. And if it really doesn't work, well, I'll have to get a dongle or something to connect it, which I'd rather not, because it's just simple to have it AirPlay. And it works fine when it works. When it works. Computers. They do be annoying sometimes. I'm just gonna turn down the sound for myself a little bit. There we go. Can't think while I hear music in my ear for some reason. Today is kind of hazy. Maybe it's gonna be less warm than yesterday. I don't know. It's been kind of warm this week. But at least this morning, it should be a little bit better. The sun is a little more diffuse in the room. You can see it's not blasting me. Yay. Cut the AC on in case, just in case. I am, as usual, tired. The usual. Even though I did sleep properly, I think. I did wake up at like 4:30 for no reason. I woke up, I was like, oh, it must be like almost 6. I look at the time, I'm like, huh? Why am I awake? What? That was random, and it took me a little bit to go back to sleep. Do I do anything fun for the holiday? No. Just playing Hollow Knight on stream tomorrow morning, and then probably nothing. Nothing very exciting. I feel like I've done a lot in the past few days, past weeks, and I'm like, I just want to do nothing. Just nothing. Just like game a little bit, get ahead in my main quests and my gacha games that I'm playing. Especially Wuthering Waves, because I'm very late. Yeesh. Yeah, just relax. Maybe touch grass. Maybe. What else? No, that's gonna be it. Yeah, it's probably gonna be pretty warm tomorrow. Let me check. Come on, you can do it. You can load. There we go. Okay, so 16 right now. Today, maximum of 27. Probably feels like, yep, 32. Makes sense. Tomorrow, 26. With probabilities of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Yippee! Humidex of 37. Gross. It's like, it's gonna be high of 26, but humidex of 37 is insane. That's a lot of humidity. It's gonna be oppressing. It's gonna be fun. Very sticky. Okay, I opened up the game. So yes, we are working on the game this morning because I can't really do art, can I? Yeah. Very annoying. Unless, wait, let me try it again. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna want to work. So this is the app I use. It usually works. Okay, turn this off maybe. Screen. Screen. Yeah, it's not loading. It usually loads fairly fast. Like, I can screen mirror my neighbor's TV through concrete, so it's not the iPad. Definitely not the iPad. Not working. Oh well. Guess we continue the game. What were we at? What were we at? Where were we at? Yep, English is already failing. I'm really surprised I have a voice this morning because I was having issues with my throat this morning as usual. I kind of tend to lose my voice in the morning. Which, why did I choose to stream in the morning? It's the worst time of day where I don't have a voice. Okay, where were we? So I managed to get the chosen changed last time. What do I want to do next? What do I want to do? Because I feel like it's already pretty good. Pretty good. Did we find other bugs? I didn't note anything. I can remove this. This is useless. I think. Yeah, that's fine. Switch points. Oh yeah, I had like a bunch of... Oh yeah, I kind of want to be able to talk to StreamerBot, but how? How do we send that? That would be probably a little more... Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna... Switch. Tabs. Just want to see. How would I write that? Communicate. Data from Godot to StreamerBot. YouTube was bugging? What do you mean? YouTube's fine. What do you mean? It looks fine. What do you mean? What do you mean? I don't want an add-on. This is like the add-on I'm using. It's not quite what I mean. WebSocket. Oh, that might be it. HTML5, WebSocket, WebRTC. Blah, 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 blah. Not quite, but maybe. Bidirectional connections. Okay, so it does say it's bidirectional, so I should be able to communicate with StreamerBot. I think. Right? Maybe? Not sure. I don't feel like reading. Ugh. So remember wrong? Or you worked on it already? It is early for me as well. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, you mean in the bug stuff? No, I think yeah, I fixed it, I think, because it was this thing. It was really easy to fix because the data is a little different coming from YouTube. That's why it bugged, because Twitch is like payload data message, which is weird and stupid, but yeah, and then YouTube's just one message. That's the big difference. Yeah, I don't know. I Twitch did it this way, but okay. Weird. Let's see if I can understand what's going on in here. See if I can like get a flash of brain stuff happening. Probably not, because it's morning. Yeah, it is early. It is. I need something specific to StreamerBot though. Peer, create a data channel. It's like too much for my brain this morning. But cause I get signals from StreamerBot. I just don't know how to do the other way. Like this is just a signal for that. StreamerBot.gd. Oh, hello. Kristalina! Hello! Good morning! I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you're well too. How's it going? Yeah, we are making our little game here with little balloons, little hot air balloons, but I'm not doing something very exciting. Trying to figure out how to talk to StreamerBot from Godot. Yeah, maybe there's a function I can use. Unconnected, get response. I don't want to get, I want to send one. Download image, no. Okay. Load image from URL, no. Save image, no. Load image, no. Get path, getting unique. Make request. What does that do? Probably just gets the event data. Yeah, it gets the payload. Subscribe? What does that do? I wish they had comments in there. Ooh, Stardew. Stardew's always fun. I always end up restarting a new game and being like, I've had my fill. And then I stop. I don't think I've ever finished Ginger Island or anything further because I keep like restarting and it takes forever to get to like Ginger Island and all that. It's cooler-ish. This morning it's cooler in Zoro. Hello, why can't I see that blue? Oh, that blue is buzzy. It's weird. It's probably not so bad in the Twitch interface, but on the StreamerBot interface it's like, ooh, kind of weird. Oh my god, on the same farm for 4 years? Damn! Damn, yeah, I'm too ADHD for that. I'm like, I want to start a new one again. Same with Coral Island. Yeah, I haven't played that one in a while either. I got so annoyed that like I wanted to romance one of the mermaids, but like in order to get to that point, you have to go through a full 2 years, I think, in the game, and I was like, ugh. And then you have to clean the ocean. Ugh, it takes forever. Yeah. Yeah, the replayability of Coral Island is a bit... it is, but doesn't... Because I wanted to try Hello to Beautiful. Because I romanced Scott first in my first playthrough, and then they opened up the romance with mermaids, and I was like, let's go, let's try it. And then I got annoyed because you need to go through a full quest that asks you to go through all the seasons, and it's like, I've got other things to do with my life. And then I stopped playing. I got annoyed. I think they added co-op, or were gonna add co-op. I don't think they did that. Why is there a random... Okay, because of funk. Okay. Okay, subscribe to custom, command, unsubscribe, what the, get events, get actions, do action, what, get credits, get info, WebSocket maybe? WebSocket might be a good payoff. Disconnected, auto reconnect, okay, we have that. You can receive, get, connect, it is technically connected, so... Close connection, send payload. That's coming from StreamerBot though. I want it the other way around. Oh, that's on again. On and on. Why not romance mermaids, by the way? Why not? Because you can. Okay. I think this is a little more than I can chew in the morning, I think. Wait, can I find... Using WebSockets. The problem is not just with using WebSockets, it's using WebSockets for StreamerBot. Ugh. Yeah, exactly. Who doesn't want to romance a mermaid, you know? Sounds like a weird sentence. Yeah, especially when you think of the real lore about mermaids, you're like... I think you might die. Unless you know how to breathe underwater, but... Good luck! Okay, maybe I'll look that up later. There might be a really easy solution, but it's just not coming to me at all. Okay, let's close this. Close this one. Close StreamerBot. Okay, what? Oh, I just removed stuff. I removed a comment. Okay. What do we do, though? Because we have our little balloons. I could work on movement, but movement's also a hard one for the morning. It's physics, so it's like... Brain has to work. Ugh. Have Nosmo's little balloon. He's awfully close to the collision box down there. Oh, I know what I could do. I could work on moving collision box. See if I can move static bodies, or do I have to change its type or not? Or not. Balloon. Here's tits. Tits. There I am. There we go. Yippee. Tits. Tits. Little tits. You got a little balloon. But the movement is all wrong. Yeah, it's gonna. Not gotta do math this morning, cause woo, not working. Whoa, Nosmo just came back. Hello. Cause if I can play around with collision shapes, I could check my viewport and put the collisions in the right spot from the get-go. Possibly. Oh, I'm gonna hit the bottom. Yay, I did. Will the game be on PS5? Ah, yes, on PS5, where you have to get StreamerBot also on PS5. No, definitely not. Coming through! Oh no, it's gonna boing, it's gonna boing. Boing. Yep, there you are. There you are. Alright, what did I say I was gonna do? Wow, I forget fast this morning. Wow, it is a void in my brain. Chat, what was I gonna do? Ah, I forgot. Oh yeah, my collisions. Jeez. Jeez Louise, I'm having trouble this morning. Okay, 2D. I'm actually gonna... Why is my collision so far away from my middle? Guess I moved the collision without moving the middle part here. Is there a way of tying the collision to this instead of having to move all the time? I wonder though. Thank you for the follow, followers anonymous. Hello, hello, hello. What if I don't care where it is and try to place them after? I'm gonna need a top wall also. I'm just gonna duplicate this one, call it top wall. That one's gonna be the one that's gonna move depending on the scene. That one is gonna be positioned, I don't know, somewhere halfway, maybe. Okay, maybe higher. Maybe like 100. Yeah, here for now. Here for now. I know it looks weird, but I will try something. Hold on. I feel like this... Why is this sounding so low? Which one is this? Oh, it's overdosing. Okay, it's like the instrumental version. I see. I see. Okay. So I do get my viewport size here. Let me see what it looks like. I kind of forget what it outputs. Let's see. Okay, it outputs it like that. Okay. Not bad. Oh yeah, I think it's like point X and point Y to get the values. I see. I believe I've used it somewhere. Somewhere. Where? Window. Oh, there it is. Oh, I just give it the balloon. That's what I do. Let's see. I just want to make sure because it's been a while. Window size. Position balloon window size. What? Oh, because yeah, okay, it's a function. Oh god, I made this and I already don't know. Oh yeah, it is Y and X. I see. I see. Okay. So now I should probably make a function for my collision walls. Probably. So it's all in one area. Where should I put it? At the bottom of everything, probably. I'll add comments later, I promise. It's gonna be clean. Hopefully. Should I just call it move collision walls or no? Or handle collision walls? And then I can call other functions probably, like move top, move bottom. Hey, hello. Because I'm thinking about it, because when I'm gonna be changing scenes, I'll be needing to move them again. So I guess like a more general function will be better. Hey, how's it doing, Dennis? Hello. Collision walls. I'm gonna need the window size. Is it gonna return anything? Probably not. Nope, it's gonna be a void. Warm European heat wave. Blah. Blah. I'm fine. Yeah, here this morning it's not too bad. It's kind of hazy, so it's like toning down the sun a little bit this morning, but it is gonna be warm later. Calling for a pretty high humidex tomorrow. Ugh, 37 with the humidex. Blah. Well, guess we're gonna be playing inside for the most part. Maybe touch grass for like 5 minutes and then come back. Yeah. At least I have AC, so it's fine. Okay, now with handle collision walls, I mean I could do them all in one function and then separate them if I need them. At least see if it works. Yeah, I guess we could do that. So let's start with the right wall, let's say. Let's see what I can do with that. Can I position it? I can. So its middle is probably... Oh, I hope I did it right, because or else the collision's not gonna work right. Okay, it looks like it's in the middle. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, heat does suck. I do rather a cold winter or summer. A really, really, really warm summer. Is it normal for the grass to be burning? I don't think so. I don't think so. Position on the X. I don't really care much for Y, just X. X equals to, it's gonna be, I mean if I do window size X directly, it's gonna be a little bit too much on the inside probably. But, how can I see it though? There's probably a way of debugging that, right? So we're gonna do, actually just trying to change this handle collision walls. Yes, if you want to check out the project, it's there. I'm not very good at keeping it updated though. Just want to see something. Can I? Is there a way of seeing? I'm sure there is a way, but I forget how. Selection. Is there a way of seeing my walls? Help. Anybody good with Godot? Is there a way of seeing it? Oh, a blue balloon. Just curious, it's fine. You can be plenty curious. It's alright. So I didn't start the timer, so might as well remove the timer clone there. Bye-bye. There we go. I mean, we'll know if the collision wall moved if the balloon comes back and hits that wall. And you're gonna hit the bottom really quickly. Or no, you're not. Ha! Because I moved it. Oh no. Well, we're gonna have to wait for a very long time unless another balloon comes out. Wait. Test. Test. Oh, I have speed. Look at me go. Oh, I'm gonna hit the top wall, aren't I? I've got a balloon for you. I can't recall how that goes, but yes. I'm gonna hit the top wall, no, I hit the right one. Am I? Nope, collision wall didn't move. God damn it. This is the horror game, the balloons. Oh wait, I did hit the wall. Where is it? It might be a little further than I think it is. We'll know if it takes forever for you guys to come back or not. Oh, boing, boing. Okay, we'll see if that blue one comes back rather fast. I don't know. Nope. I don't think it worked. I think I hit the top before I hit the side, so it didn't work. I think. Yeah, I hit the top there. Bye! Everyone's going. You can't change the color. Just the, your theme. I think you have blue light, I believe. I think you still have it. You have to do a switch and the name like this. Now I'm yellow. Now for those who are new, this doesn't apply to everyone. This is for like themes that people have unlocked. Oh. 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 There is a bug. Hello Liquid, hi, welcome in, good morning. Oh no. We seem to have ourselves a bug. Oh, invalid access prompted key color. Why? Why though? Why spicy? Here, so it's because of liquid. Perfect. Do not change your lane color. I need it. That was the bug we had the other day. I guess I didn't fix it. Look at us go. So that means, that it doesn't pass this in the data then. Has then. I guess has would be the better thing to do. Wait, no, actually, keep the dot. Has color. Whoops. We found a bug. So I guess this would probably work. Yeah, this would probably be better. Ooh, unless I make it white. Nah, it comes with Twitch. It's gotta be purple. I did what now? You found ourselves a bug. Let's reload that. And now when you write, it should be fine. Because you don't have a color on your name. I could see it right away because of the white there. If you don't choose a color, Twitch doesn't send the data that you have a color, which I need. Oh, look, it's me. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Followers are anonymous. If you want to be called out, you can write so in chat. Or else you can just lurk and happily watch the balloons go by. Liquid! I need you to write. Oh, it still didn't work. Why? Oh, I see. Where is it? Oh, I'm an idiot. Doesn't have color. Ah, okay, again. Again. Hello. Did I again? Oh, testing. Yay! Finally got it. We fixed the bug. Because the last time we had the bug, the person who did the bug changed the color of his name before we could test it. Now it's like, how am I supposed to test it? Nah. So we fixed it. No more bug. Now you have a purple balloon. Yes. Yes, and yeah. Yay. Yay. What was I doing before the bug happened? Oh yeah, collision walls. Right. What could I put that I could move? Ugh. 2D? Or rigid body, maybe? Yeah, rigid body might work better. Thank you for all the welcoming. Followers are anonymous. Aha. So that might work better. This probably can't move at all. Yeah, exactly. Okie dokie, let's go with the rigid body instead. So that means I have to change my walls, but that's fine. That is fine. Bye bye. Yes, if you want to check out the project, as I said earlier, I know you weren't there, I don't keep it updated very much. I try to keep the times updated as much as possible. I did update the Godot yesterday, so it should be up to date. We were supposed to do art yesterday, and today we're having issues with my iPad mirroring stuff on my PC. I think I messed things up with my driver update. Kind of annoying. So I might need a dongle, my iPad. It's okay. We're all kind of slow in the morning. We all kind of are. Ooh, you know what? Even this could be... I could change the size of this with the views. It doesn't matter. Well, why bother? Collision. Collision shape. This is gonna be my left wall. Rectangular. Rectangle. What do I want my middle? I want it... Oh, well, it doesn't matter to be honest, but... or does it? Kinda does. I'm thinking. I mean, this one's never gonna move because the left is always the left. It's fine. Beep, beep, beep. I can't. Come on. Yep. Weep. Whoa. Ah. Go down. Zoom out. Thank you. I'm gonna go all the way down. To here-ish, maybe. I want the balloons to turn around. Okie dokie. But yeah, it is pretty early, I get it. It's very early streaming for those who are on this time zone. For those who are not, probably afternoon, maybe evening, who knows? Alright, so if we have... This is left wall. Oh, let's do it all on one go. Left wall. And then we're gonna duplicate that. And call it right wall. I'm actually curious if I don't move it at all right now, but then have it move script instead. Okay, so oh, that still works. Look at that. Right. Let's see if it works or not. But yes. I do like that it's hazy out there though. It's like, it's got lighting, very hazy lighting, but it's not hot. It's not like throwing sunshine in it. It's a little more comfortable. Test. Oh great, of course I start from that side. I can't test out that other wall. Thank you. Balloon. We're all going from the right side. Why? Tits. Yeah, the tits. All starting from the right. First, oh, one person's on the... ooh, they almost bounced off. Almost. Shops in the shop 6... Whew. It is early. It's 6:30. Not so much sleepy, but the shop is a sauna. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can imagine it being hot. Oh, we're getting there. Nope. It didn't work. God damn it. How do I move it? Probably S-A-U-N-A. Debutable sauna. Like a hot place. No bounce. No good. I must be doing something wrong. Yes, a sauna. Unless I re-put it in. Maybe it just didn't... No, it's the same. I need to make Godot stuff. Godot. Rigid. Body 2D. Move. Script. Exactly. It is a sauna. Is there something special I have to do with it? Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I just want code. Just give me code so I can figure it out. I don't want to raid. I don't want to move my character. I just want to move a rigid body. Provide similar physics. Blah blah blah. You can't control a rigid body 2D directly. Okay, what if I move a collision? What it's gonna... Maybe it's gonna tell me what I should be associating it with. Collision object. Physics. No, not what I need. Unless I make it a character. I guess that will work. It'll be weird. I guess it would work. Meh, I guess it would work. Also, I just realized I could have just changed the type earlier. Not so good at writing, that's fine, that's fine. I forget words when I write, so that's okay. Change type. I forgot I could just do this. I'm silly. Character body 2D. What if I did that instead? We're gonna try them all until it works. I just wish I could remember how to see my objects when I'm debugging. Oh, there it is. Visible collision shapes. That took me 2 seconds. Oh, look at me. Pets. Well, pets. Oh, yeah, it did work. Look at it go. Yay. But now, balloons don't appear. Okay. Well, I think the balloons appear on the wrong side of collision. I need to make these collisions one way. I know there's a way. I know they added that in 4.7. I just don't know where. Oh, there it is. On? How does this work? Direction. I don't know. How does that work? Yeah, they're hitting outside, but I want them to appear outside, but not collide from one side of the wall. I just don't know how that works. Wait. Godot. One way collision? It's like brand new. Ugh, I'll look at it. Here, one way. Brand spanking new, the 4.7 update. How do I, how's it work? If it collides with something, blah blah blah. What? Huh? I don't get it. Too complicated. I don't want to read. It's too early in the morning. But yes, they are definitely hitting on the outside. No, I want 4.7, idiots! Ah! It's the new thing! The problem's I'm getting stuff from older generation Godots, and I don't want that, because they've added it. Because that's the update. One way. Or is it like... No? Or just collision? No. Oh, there it is. Collision shape 2D. Where's the documentation? Yeah. But now it's for this. Relative local to the shape. Previously it was assumed that one-way direction was locally up relative to the collision shape 2D shape. Changing the shape itself. Okay, that's why. Okay, I just want to see. Okay, cool. What does it mean? Oh, the vector. But like, is the vector pointing that way or that way? Which way? I guess it would be, let's say it's left wall. I'm assuming the vector has to point towards the collision? That's what I don't know. That's the part I'd understand. I don't understand it. Vectors. So I'm assuming it would be like, this would be 0. Try number, I guess? So this would be like -1, maybe? Because if it's a vector... Wait, that's left wall? Okay, I was like, did I put it on the right one? One-way collision. This is gonna be 0, this is gonna be a 1. I think. Ugh. Not sure. We'll just invert it if it doesn't work. Yay! Look at us go! Now we just have to know if it collides properly. Look at us go with our little pill-shaped collisions. Or... Damn, look at us go! Figuring things out. Took took me like 2 seconds to figure it out, I guess. I should believe in myself. It was simpler than I thought it would be. First try, let's go! Yeah! I'm doing it! Alright, so we have left and right. It's working. That's good. Do I want to position the left so it's on the same distance? Yeah, I guess. Okay, it kind of bothers me that it's not the same distance. I am a perfectionist. I must. This. So this is gonna be left wall. And it's not gonna be window size, it's gonna be a 0. So it should be in the right spot. Nope, not at all. Cool. Okay, fine, I won't. Stay there, you. Well, at least now the right wall is not at the other end of the world anymore. Okay, now we need the bottom collision. Not that it matters where it is, because it's gonna move it Y. Alright, let's duplicate. Can I do this? Ah, yes, I can. Lovely. Very lovely. Bottom wall. Got my collision one way, but it's not gonna be the same way. This is gonna be 0, and this is gonna be, I guess, 1. Yes. I was like, where's the grid in Godot? I think? Wait, where is the grid in Godot? Should be fine, right? I'm having doubts. I'm having little doubts. And then... bottom and tets. Yes, the new words. Bottom wall position middle is gonna be... 1920s, 720? What am I hearing? Probably just stuff in the street. Yeah, probably. I thought I was hearing thunder for a second. I was like, what? What am I hearing? Alright, let's put you... I don't know. Put you there for now. Where? Whoop, where'd you go? Too far. Just so I can visualize it a little bit better. I don't know, 900 or whatever. Nope, less than that. Less than that. Oh, that's slow. Holy crap, that is slow. 600? Yeah, whatever. Let's put it there for now. Oh, interesting. Arrows. What do they mean? Arrows. Geez. Oh, it's probably for the positioning to tell me Y is going that way and X is going this way. Smart. Alt does this. Interesting. Figuring out shortcuts. Okay, let's... Oh no! I forgot it. Oh, how do I... This one's still in the right place? Yep. How do I separate them? Detach from the other one. Repair into new node? Wait. No. Hold on. Oh, I'll just redo one. Okay. I forgot that duplicate does that, but how do I duplicate without having it be connected? A bit like Blender, like I do sometimes in Blender, where I duplicate, but it's not the same instance, basically. I do not know, so let's just add one then. Okay, I was like, why is it silent for a second there? What's going on? Oops. Excuse me. You're in the wrong spot. Alright, so bottom, collision. Not gonna be too long anyway, so that's on, that's 1. Yep, that's fine. Brain. So this is, where did I put it? 720? Whoops, no, wait, not the collision. Hold on, not you. Not you! So anyway, what are you guys up to on this, Tuesday? Tuesday, right? I was like, what day are we? Tuesday. Yes. So I need a shape on you, rectangular. All right, let's bring you down to 600. That's where I was earlier. Doesn't matter where, because it's gonna move. Do 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 do. Always watching me at work. Nice. I could probably play around with this width too, but bleh. Bleh. Just gonna make it large enough, that's all. There we go. We've got the bottom. Alright. Now I can move this. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Position Y. It's gonna be not quite the window size. It's gonna be a little higher because we have trees to think about. How big are my trees? Maybe 100 pixels? Maybe more? Do 200 pixels. Oh, not pixels, 200. Minus 200, not plus. Silliness. Yeah. Last day of the week, yes! Took off to have a really long weekend. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's really awesome. I wish I did that. Like, no. Work. No. Where does it appear? Oh god, 200 is too much. Definitely too much. So... okay. Oh, wait. Unless that's where it was originally. Let's not add the, let's not do this for now. Let's see, where does it appear? At the bottom. Okay, so 200 is insanely a lot. So I imagine 100 is also a lot, so 50. That's good enough. Good enough for me. Finishing 2 tables I need to deliver tomorrow to Quebec City. Ooh, what kind of tables? Are they fancy schmancy looking? Are they specialized tables? Oh my god, yes. They do feel long after the holiday on Wednesday. It's like, ugh, gross. Of course you're not gonna touch the bottom. Just to piss me off. Ooh, a gaming table. Nice. A bit like D&D or more like a gaming as in computers. Tits. Gotta get the tits in there. Tits. All the balloons. Oh, mine is going. Mine is going. Am I gonna touch? Am I gonna touch? Yeah, it worked. I got the direction right. Good. Every holiday should give us a full week off, right? Exactly. Board game table. Ooh, but I do a D&D table too. Nice. That's very cool. I wish I had space for that. I really don't. I started playing Mahjong though recently, and ooh, that stuff takes up a lot of space, and I need a mat for it because those little tiles, ugh, they do be loud when you put them in. Balloons, yes, yes indeed. Holly Week, yes, for 2 weeks. Hell yeah, let's go. That would be insane because we have a holiday. Ooh, a Wednesday, and last week we also had a holiday on Wednesday. So imagine if those were 2 weeks. That'd have been cool. Ooh, Comic-Con. Yes. We're doing weird collisions sometimes. Occasionally. Anyway, as I said, my movement is very wrong. It shouldn't, like, turn around when it hits the bottom, but I have not fixed that. I know of it. Don't worry. Hollow Knight on the holidays. Yes. Yeah, so tomorrow's Hollow Knight. Yep. What's the name of the game you play that takes a lot of space? What do you mean? I have many of those. Or do you mean Flight Simulator? That one takes a lot of space. Or, oh, in real life. I'm so silly. Ow, I just banged my knee on my desk. And thank you for the follows, Anonymous. Welcome in. Mahjong. Play some Mahjong. The American version of it. But I could play the Chinese version, but we do play the American with the racks. My god, we were struggling so hard last time because we all didn't know how to play, so we were like trying to learn it as we went, and we were like, no, but then this happens, but then you can't do this, but then this is illegal. We're trying to like go for one another. Look, no, that's not right, that's not what's written, but yes, but blah blah blah. is a pain. At least now we know it a little bit better. A little bit better. Yeah, also those collisions on the balloons aren't gonna happen as often once I figure out the Z index. I did try it before, it didn't work. Eventually. Ooh, probably my Z index needs to be... what did I apply it on? I don't know. I don't know. Switch to default. Wait, did you switch to... what? Oh, you re-switched. I was like, wait, hold on. I didn't... Yeah, it worked. Yes. How much time does it take to set up? The setup itself isn't too bad with the tiles. The thing is the shuffling in the beginning takes forever. Like, cause there's like a million moves you have to do to shuffle, including what they call Charleston. And it's like, that's a lot for shuffling. Like you have to give tiles to your neighbor to the right and then to the left and then, or in front. No, it's like to the right, in front, to the left. But the left one's blind. Oh, it's so weird. But it's fun. Yeah. It's, I won one match. We didn't get any wins, I think, at the first one. How many times did we play? Twice? It's very long when you don't know how to play. And I won the last one we played, and I was like, yes! Yep. But yeah, it works. Cool! Now I can add my top collision. The top collision is gonna be one that moves occasionally, depending on my scene. Ow. Ow. The hell? I just cracked the inside of my leg and it didn't feel good. Ow. How'd I do that? I'm sitting. What the hell? I'm getting old. Okay, let's add... what was it? Character? I know it's weird, but yeah. Code injury. Oh my goodness. So dangerous. Top wall. Yeah, there's kind of a learning curve, but it's kind of like D&D. D&D also has quite a learning curve. I feel like D&D is worse, but yeah, D&D has lots to learn. But Mahjong, once you get the hang of it, like once you get past the shuffling, it's very easy. It's like either you discard a tile or grab the one that's been discarded in the middle, but then it depends if you're playing an exposed hand or playing an what's the other one? Exposed or concealed. I was like, what's the name of the other? Yeah, and I've been meaning to play a little bit of like a game. I'm trying to find a game somewhere where I can practice. I think there's one online. What's it called? I forgot the name of the website, but yeah, there is one I can use. But the mahjongs I found on Steam were mostly mahjong solitaire. The one you think of when you like match tiles. But that's different. That's not it. What font? I think that's Roboto. I think. I'm not completely sure. Is it in here? Yeah, Roboto medium. Yeah, for a while I had like kind of this handwritten one, and I was like, nah, just gonna go Roboto. You're welcome. Yeah, you can find lots of like fonts on Google Fonts and play around with that. Well, hello people, and also hello Boxernut. Sorry, I didn't say hello. But yeah, mahjong is quite fun. It's quite pleasing. Also, I'm making my top wall. What am I doing? No, not that. Collision. Oh, my nose. Hello, Simon Schreibt. Love Godot, good. Oh, that reminds me. So I have a form on my website where you guys can suggest stuff, and someone wrote a suggestion recently and they said, use Unity, Godot sucks, Unity's better. I was like, what a weird waste of time. I was like, okay, cool. I'm not gonna do that though. I've started with Godot, I'm not gonna start something new yet again. No, not again. Transform, position's gonna be 720, don't care. It doesn't matter really. That can stay there for now. Oh my god, yep. Yep. So yes. Just so you know, when you do exclamation point project, you have access to my website. And at the bottom of the homepage, there's a button to access that form. Yes. That's how I found a way to like get suggestions and stuff from you guys without a Discord. I've been meaning to put a Discord on. It's just so much work. Just not yet. I just don't know what I'll put in it apart from the Vintage Mega Art Month, which I should work on the art for that next month. At least it's gonna have to be ready at least by mid-August, at least. Yeah. Yeah, right? Using the Unity after all the shit they pulled? No. No thank you. Yeah, exactly. My point exactly. I was like, no, I'm gonna keep Godot. No. No. I'm not touching that pile of worms, that can of worms. Can of worms? I don't think that's expression. The wrong expression. Oh well, you know what I mean. Okay, let's pull this all the way. Cool. What's the game I'm working on? I'm making a little stream game for you guys. Let me show you. For now you can see the collisions, that's normal. But when you guys write, you get a little balloon. There's theming, so you can see Nosmo right now has a themed balloon, and Nosmo just knocked out the other balloon outside the collision wall. Oh no, it'll never come back. Oh! Okay, my movement's wrong. I know. Nosmo shouldn't be going back when he hits the button. Pile of worms. Gross. Yeah, kind of slimy. Okay, well, I guess I might have to add like a second collision in case. Just in case. So it goes out. Because who else is gonna be stuck to forever and beyond into the... Yep. Is there a Godot plugin for the Itch API? Itch? I don't know. But my thing is connected to StreamerBot right now. It's connected to this, which deals with all my alerts. All my, like my chat right now is going through StreamerBot. I can see both the Twitch and the YouTube Twitch, because this is also connected to YouTube. I have like a bunch of actions in here and stuff. This is all my alerts and everything. It all goes through there. Basically, I'll show you what StreamerBot sends me. So StreamerBot sends me like a bunch of data. It sends me the message. I can change the color of the balloons with your guys' names. Maybe let them pass through each other. Eventually, what I want to do is do occasional collisions. So I've got to play with like Z-index. Have like a random Z-index, so sometimes they hit each other, but not all the time. It's gonna be a rare... Nosmo is still stuck in the corner. Like, I haven't fixed my directions in my physics process, so that's why Nosmo is kind of stuck there. I want the Y to change when it hits the bottom, but I have not fixed that. I didn't have a bottom collision before, that's why. Nosmo is happy in his little corner. Scale them to make it in layers. Yes, I'll see what I do with that later. Eventually, there's gonna be a lot of you guys. I think it could be possible. But for now, like, I'm already glad that I'm capable of dealing with theming in the balloons and stuff. It is saved in a JSON. No, not that one. Like, for now, I saved it. I didn't save it through the save manager that Godot has. I saved it directly in a JSON because I want to be able to modify it if something happens. Because eventually you guys are going to be able to unlock special balloons. And so when you own a special balloon, I want you to be able to use it, right? So you can see Nosmo, that was the test. I added it. They have blue-white there. Cute stuff, yes! And all of you are there. And every time you guys write for the first time, you're added in the, Oh, you know what I should do? I should add the source. Because I know Trop, so I know this one's from Twitch and this one's from YouTube, but I should probably add the source. It might help in the long run. I want a spike on my balloon. For now, we don't have that many. Go to balloon. So we have blue, white. We have mine. This is my special balloon. It's based off a shirt I have that I wear often on stream. Default is white, but your color in your name on Twitch is applied. Unless you didn't put a color in your name, it's going to be purple if not. And then we have this one. We have others. Hold on, let me just... I do have a picture of it. Because I do have to work on my overlays also, which I'm not finished. This is what we're supposed to be doing on my iPad, but my screen mirroring didn't want to work this morning. So it's looking like this. This would be kind of not the end result because my clouds aren't finished in this one. When does the animation play? So the animation can switch depending on your theme. So right now it's not animated for now, for the most part. It doesn't look like an animation yet, but eventually, like this one's definitely gonna have animations playing on it, because it's gonna have like little banners going whoosh, whoosh. Cozy, yes. Cozy indeed. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to move the clouds. Okay. Yeah, so animations play on the theming, I believe, of the balloon. Yeah, it plays on the theming of the balloon. Whenever the theme changes, it switches the animation. Also drop Unity, but mainly because of the reloading domain. Wait time, I don't know that. But yeah, I'm still kind of a beginner at making games. Not kinda, but I am. Orange and purple looks great. Orange and purple. Oh, you mean in the clouds? Yes. Yes. I was like thinking of the balloons. Like, which one's orange and purple? I don't have an orange and purple. What? I'm planning on making like little balloons, maybe 2 or 3 per month that are specific to that month. Like October could have a pumpkin balloon, and you unlock it exclusively in that month. And there's going to be a whole point system to buy balloons, and there's going to be eventually a fighting system, so you guys can fight each other. Somebody wants a catapult, somehow I'll put a catapult on there. There's going to be guns, maybe bow and arrow, and a bunch of weird things, probably grenades. Just make everything explode. There's a few ideas. Hello, Water Serpent. Hello, everyone else. Hellos are here. Hello, the new people. Stretch it out. Early morning. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. But yeah, I've been going back and forth on a lot of stuff in this. Like I started something, then realized, ooh, no, I'm gonna have to call it then, and then redoing functions, so I'm constantly changing things. But yeah, I use a class name for my balloons. Because you each have your little balloon, and then I save them in the JSON, which I should get the source. Where am I gonna save that? So, what do I call it? Add balloon. YouTube. Add balloon payload. I do get the payload. Wait, let me see the payload real quick. So I do have a source. I do. Yeah, they're both the same. Good. Even my balloon has a class. Yep. Indeed. Yeah, so I printed this out in Godot and then like put it in VS Code to like have it be cleaner so I can actually read it. And with StreamerBot you can really go for so many events. These are all like the events you can use through StreamerBot that's sending to Godot. I do have to figure out how to do the inverse where I need Godot to speak to StreamerBot. I still haven't figured that one out. It's gonna be all about WebSockets probably. It's probably really simple. I just don't know. Don't know it yet. But yeah, it's all of this. YouTube has stuff too. You can even have my heart rate monitor if I want through the balloon thing. I don't know why I'd want that, but no. What plugin you using to grab data? Oh, I forgot their name. Let's see, can I see it in the settings? It's there. Plugin by Justin Oval. So if you look that up, you might find it easily. Godot to speak to StreamerBot. It's actually not speaking to StreamerBot from this plugin. Not that I can see anyway. But I'm probably gonna modify it to like get it to do bidirectional. Pajero StreamerBot Godot link. Ooh, maybe I'll try that out. But it just yeah, it shouldn't be too bad though. I mean, it's the same payload at the end of the day, so it should be fine. I'll do that later. But yeah, I realized pretty quickly that whoops, I'm a little limited. Can't get my chat to go through. I don't use any type of AI, if that's what you're meaning. Copilot to me is Microsoft, not GitHub, but I don't know what that is, if it's related to GitHub. I know it from Microsoft, but yeah. Also, I've been meaning to put versioning on this. I managed to reconnect to my GitHub, and all I have on my GitHub is a random Git page. I will eventually. But yes, for those who are wondering why I don't use AI or whatever, I don't want to use AI because I want to learn properly, and I don't like where AI is going either, so there's that. What if my balloon pops if my heart rate gets too high? Oh jeez, scary. Thank you for the follow. Come in, follows are anonymous. But yeah, I do mostly game dev nowadays, so if my heart rate gets high, what are you guys doing? You're scaring me. Yeah. So, yeah, that was the whole thing about AI. I do believe I have the no AI tag too, down in my Twitch stuff. Yeah, but I really want to learn, and I learn by trying things, making errors and all that, and if AI just gives me everything, I won't learn. And my brain's gonna get lazy. Yeah. I'm gonna look at, what was it? Taijiro? I do want to look it up so I can find it. I play life on hard mode, no AI anywhere. Taijiro, I'm assuming they're on GitHub. I'm assuming that's this. StreamerBot link. StreamerBot, receive data from events. Does it talk? Are you sure? What if you balloon? Okay, I read that. Give me a smooth brain. Yes. Yes. I realized pretty quickly when I first tried out AI and stuff, I was getting lazy. It was like, oh, I'm just gonna ask AI. It's so much easier. I was like, whoa, stop. Don't do that. Yes. Those are my tags. Indeed. It's the do action to talk to StreamerBot. Aha! Okay, good to know, good to know. I'll install that later since we have just like 20 minutes left. But then again, and I'll do that later. I'll just keep it open so I remember. I'll just do a switch. It should probably not be too bad. Maybe a thing here and there is gonna change names. Yeah, it just uses this thing here that's gonna change. That's it. Bologna sandwich, just vibing. Just pass in the GU ID, right clicking copy action ID. Alright, GU ID, I know that term. Isn't that C#? Isn't that? Because I've used it with Umbraco and they have C# with Razor templating. That's the only time in my life I did C#. I did a little bit, but completely in the unknown with C#. Should be fine. But yeah, I'll do that then. What was I doing other than that? What was I doing beforehand? We don't have any bugs. We were doing collisions. Right. Confusion. So top wall. So my plan with the top wall, most of the time it's gonna be a little more limited. It's gonna be a little lower because my camera is gonna be above that. So if you see here, it's gonna probably collide roughly here. And my camera is gonna be around here for the full size view. But then if I'm in BRB mode, that's when the balloons have full range of motion. And what I'm probably gonna do is gonna force them to go up a little bit when I get there. Have a little bit of gravity, have them go up and down. But that's for later. I don't feel like doing physics this morning. Yeah, as you can see, my physics are totally wrong because originally I only affected X mostly for like collisions. But now I need Y to come in there. But yeah, this is all gonna change probably. It's all wrong. But yeah, I don't know what to do anymore. There's like 15 minutes left and I'm like, I don't know what I want to do. Display sprites, why is that? Oh yes, this is the function for my balloon command that I need to speak to StreamerBot with. Yes. We'll have some control over the burner to go up. Maybe. Possibly. We'll see. Possibly. There's gonna be some idleness to it, but it's probably gonna be related to channel redeems. Obviously I don't have them right now because I'm unaffiliated, but eventually. Like how much would I make it go up? Like just a bit? Like a tiny bit? Also the balloons are still running in the background. Nosmo's all alone with his balloon. At least you're not stuck in the corner this time. At least we figured that out. We don't have like a wall at the other end of the world on the right. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we could have like a booster channel redeem. I should probably write down my channel redeems and stuff. What I want to do. Hold on. Let me just do this because I need to open Notion. Because there is some personal stuff in Notion. I don't open the right thing. Ah, tornado! First thing I see when I open. Just like, tornado! Ah! Nosmo's free balloon. You got a sock. Oh, jeez. I should close this down. I've already watched that. Why? Notion. Are you still connected? Please. Oh, I hate when it disconnects. Oh, I know why. I cleaned up. That's why. Okay, hold on. Let me add that in. Gotta write in my Notion because I'm gonna forget what I'm talking about right now. Let's continue. Verification code. I have a growing note in Obsidian full of stream ideas, right? Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay. Balloon. Game dev. Yes, I know. Connected myself to Notion. Where is it? There it is. Close this. Close this. Close this. That's fine. Yeah, as you can see, like I have a whole bunch of ideas. They're just like growing, but they're not being developed. Yeah. So air balloon. Oh yeah, I was gonna have them disappear too because like, let's say I do a longer stream and I want everyone to be there all the time. Which is true, I could do a time or two. Yay! Storm chasing! Yes! It was a really cool video though. Very scary tornado. What was I saying? What we're doing? I already forgot. My memory's bad. I'm gonna write the other thing I was thinking about. Send owned balloons to StreamerBot. StreamerBot. Meow. I can't write. StreamerBot actions to chat. Okay, what was I doing? What was I? What? See, that's why I have to write things down. What was I doing? I know I have to do my physics stuff. What was I talking about? Chat, help me! Oh my god, I forgot. The tornadoes completely threw me off. I don't know if this one I'm gonna do. Maybe like for a fraction of a second. Usernames take up so much space. Oh yes. Make crash. Hello, welcome in. Hold on. Hello, welcome in from the raid. Hello guys, how's it going? Hello, welcome in Beacon Game. Thank you for the raid. What were you up to? Oh my god, I don't do shoutouts often, do I? I really don't. Ah! I was trying to copy. Don't go away. This should work, right? Yes. Welcome in, what were you up to? Were you doing some game dev stuff? Thank you for the follow, by the way. Followers are anonymous. And yeah. What? Wait. Huh. Wait. Did it do... Okay, no, I got confused for a second. I got confused with the raid and the follow for a second. No, it's fine. Thank you for the follow. that siren would make my balloon pop right away, right? It's so scary. It's like when I watch the tornado stuff and you hear the siren, it's like, ugh, shivers. Ugh, if that were to happen to me. Ugh, no thank you. Yeah, so we were talking yesterday about adding a special balloon for people who were here for like the whole testing phase. At some point I will put it in, but not for now, because it's not drawn. That's what I wanted to do today with the iPad, but it's not working. The iPad's working, but not the computer. Yeah, no, it's not you rating. It's just I was confused. I was like, why are there 2 follows? But then I got confused with the raid thing. Yeah. Doing some game dev and Blender. We're doing lots on Blender here. Yes. A fellow dev. Thank you very much. Very appreciated. Yes, we do some Blender. It's starting. Oh, my brain. Yes, we do Blenders on Fridays here. Although we are making just a simple balloon game. Oh, it's getting populated. Look at it go. I know it's not you, radio. Do your epaulets provide any armor protection? Immunities? Not really, no. I wouldn't trust that. Hello, bot. Hello. We do have a few balloons right now. I am here. This is Nosmo. I only have 2 people. I have like special balloons for testing purposes right now. But the rest of you are all your either name color or purple if you have no color on your name. Like Beacon Games has no color. So this is probably Beacon Games, I'm assuming. Yeah. Otherwise, you have a colored balloon, like your name. And yes, you can see my collisions because I'm working on moving my collision walls and stuff. Yes, that's what I was doing. But why? Wait, no. I had something to write. What was it? Ah! I got so distracted. And chat didn't help me remember. No. No trap today, 10-minute warning. Indeed. Yeah, I've been keeping an eye on the time. I'm like, Yes, for those who are new here, I stream at 7 AM for me, Eastern Standard Time. I do like about an hour and a half before work. I work as a web dev. And so yeah, it's a short stream, but at least it kickstarts the day. Work on little games like this. I'm doing a challenge too, if you want to check that out. Exclamation point project. So distracting. Yes. Yeah, exclamation point project, so you can have access to the website where I try to keep the times updated. I usually have a timer on behind me. This thing there. I keep forgetting it. I'll just have to deduce time from it. I guess, again, I keep doing the same problem, same thing, keep forgetting the timer. So it's 100 hours of art, 100 hours of Godot, 100 hours of sound design. That one's having trouble as usual. Ugh. Yuck. But I did want to advance the balloons, to be fair, so that's why. And then Blender. 100 hours of Blender. Yeah. He's never been in trouble that I'm aware of. Yeah, he's just good at the warning of the times. You know what? I could probably just add a timer to that. But then I'd have to set it up for office days and work from home days. So work from home days are like 1 hour 30 streams, but work at the office is gonna be like 1 hour because I have to walk there. And eventually there's gonna be some change to that in September because I'm gonna have like a German course to go to in September, and to do enough time with my work and go there, I have to not stream, which is annoying. Yes, you get it. Yes, yeah, Trop was usually the one going, okay, there's 10 minutes left, yes. Look at you go! Balloons! We've made some headway on the balloon game, I think. It's getting close to first release-ish, but I'm gonna have to set up OBS too. OBS is not set up, my overlays aren't finished. So I think the assets are gonna be slowing me down. A wee bit, a tiny bit. I still haven't figured out what I want to do with like this screen and all that. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. In 8 minutes, what can I do? I still haven't figured out what I wanted to write in the Notion. I forgot. So let's see, what have we done? Each viewer gets a hot air balloon. Yes, that's been done. Let's borrow that one. 10 minutes, I'll have to add the timer. Save settings, that has been done. Oh, I know what I want to do. I forgot. Let's do it now. The source. Let's put that under username. It's gonna be, whoops. Whoopsie. User source. And then that's gonna be saved above point. Although it's gonna do its thing where it redoes things. Source. And we'll have user source. And then from the payload, we'll be able to get the source. Yippee! Payload. Do I have payload in here? I should have payload, shouldn't I? Confusion? No, I don't. What? Do I not? Oh crap! I don't have payload through here. As in YouTube or Twitch. Yes, exactly. And thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Follows anonymous. I guess I'll have to just. Yeah. No, I have payload. What the heck? What am I? Huh? I'm confused. Wait. Add balloon. Oh no! I'm dumb. It's an add balloon dummy. Whoops, not that. I'm too tired for this. Not in this function. Where did I put add balloon? Oh, it's in main. Again, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I guess I'll have to add source to it. I don't want to give it the whoa. Nope. Payload, event source, I believe. Let me check. So event source, yes. Yes, I know it's bugging because I don't have that yet. So that's no balloon, new balloon. New balloon will have source. By default, I'll make it Twitch. Source. Now it'll work. Yeah. There we go. And that's gonna be source. Boop. And that should save. I think. Maybe a little bug. I know, right? And the followers are just... everybody's here. Oh my goodness. I'm glad. That means maybe there's more devs in chat. Maybe more help. Like, yay, when I need help. All the help I can get. Pets. Alright, let's see. Did it save the source? Oops, wrong file. Nosmo. Where are you? There you are. Source. No source. It didn't save. Oh. Like a phoenix. What did I do? So I send the source. I add the child. I save the balloon. Right? No. Should be fine, right? Right? I think so. It should. Unless because you've already been... oh, maybe because you've already been saved. Maybe older users are gonna have trouble. Maybe I have to force it to save. Probably. I would be scared. It would be best. What if you do switch? Will it trigger it? Because when it switches, it saves. Because if I do me and I switch to default, boop. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, it works. Okay, it works. It's just because we're already there. I might have to wipe the whole thing eventually to restart, because we're gonna need high scores too and all that. Mine is fine because I'm the streamer. But yeah, it works. Good. It just wasn't saving. Sadly though, we don't have that many people on the YouTube side this morning. Maybe if I chat on the YouTube side. Can I chat in my own chat? Test. Yes, I can. It doesn't add a balloon, obviously, because it's still me. It is still me. Well, hello there. Hello, faceless. Hello, hello. Welcome in. Hello. Also, we have 2 minutes left already. It shouldn't have... No, didn't. Because I didn't switch. Does my YouTube side... Hold on, I'm still not showing it because I'm going through my stream thing. Let's see. I know you guys can't see it because I'm in my YouTube stream stuff. Hold on. Okay, it switched. Good, that switched. And source didn't twist. Okay, I guess it doesn't work on the YouTube side. That was fast. Hold on, I just got an email from something for Godot creators or something. What? Okay, I'll check that out later. Anyway. I was like, huh? I guess lots of people in here today. I guess you get noticed. It's very rare I get emails on my stream email. I used to have sponsor stuff for, what was it? Udi. The Udi. I have too many Udis. I have 2 plus like the PJ stuff. I was like, oh, I think that's enough. I think I've had enough. They're always watching, yeah. And I haven't been wearing my watch in a while, so it's like, oh, it's weird to get notifications on my wrist now. Yeah. Because I've been curious, like, heart rate stuff, so it's like I'm wearing it again. Yeah. That's you, it's fine! It's fine, cool, it's cool that we have you there. It's alright, it's just, whoa. Emails, woohoo. At least I know you're a real person, that's good. Because I never know with those, like, emails. I get so many of, like, oh, I see you, like, streaming on YouTube, I make thumbnails, blah, 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 and it's like... no, thank you. Like, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, like, those people that they write in a way where you don't know if they're actually human. Either you're like, are they bot? You never know. Yeah. It's like when Udi, was it Udi that reached out to me? I think it was. And then I was like, are they real? Like, what is this? Also, when I got the offer to go to Anime North in 2024, I believe, it's always like, is this real? Am I going to a weird place? Like, You've done YouTube before? Yeah, it's very hard to tell what's legit. Like, the one for Anime North was scarier because I had to go to Toronto to do it. And it was a whole thing where I used flight stuff and everything. I paid for the flight with money that I had left for Air Canada. But, like, it's kind of scary because if they're not legit, you're stuck in Toronto. Then again, I would have paid for the hotel myself stuff, and I'd be like, well, I guess I'm going to Anime North for fun. But it was legit, thank God. It was a charity event where we streamed from Anime North. It was fun, but it was very hard to stream from there because it's very, very loud. It's very hard to, like, talk to people while you're there, and you're like, are they hearing me properly? It's not your normal setup. Yeah, but it was fun. It was a great experience. Yeah. I have a Shopify store. I receive like 80 emails by day from robots. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys get those, but I get emails from Poshmark, but it's not really Poshmark, but I get like 5 of those per day. Like, I send them in a spam box automatically now, but like, God, those are annoying. It's like, ooh, I'm this person. I want to buy this from you on Poshmark. I was like, what the hell is Poshmark? Yeah, right? What, Poshmark? I think it's an American used clothing. I don't know myself, but I was like, what the hell is this? Like, what? Weird scams nowadays, and they're getting smarter too, which is scary. It is very, very fake because the email kept changing every single time. So it's like, that's sus. That's very sus. But yes, it is 8:33. I must work in my web dev stuff. Sadly, I would rather not work, but I have to. I have to pay for my rent, sadly. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Jackie's on. What is she making right now? Jackie. She's in Godot. She's making a dungeon crawler. I haven't raided Kirsty in a while too. What is she doing? Oh, she has a birthday stream? Hold on. Kirsty has a birthday stream. Ooh, let's go say happy birthday to Kirsty then. Yes, yes, yes. But yes, sounds fake. Yeah, definitely those Poshmark emails were a plague. They were very annoying. Constant. Very annoying. And thank you for the follow. I think I might know who you are. Maybe? Unless I'm wrong. Oh, we just hit 2,300. Look at us go. Ooh, raid. Oh, riot. One day I'll fix my ending scream. Words. Time to go. Yeah, when we finish the balloon game. Yes, when we have high scores and stuff. Okay, we're reading out to Kirsty. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will be back tomorrow morning for some Hollow Knight, just to have a relaxing day. And it's gonna be holiday for me, so it's gonna be a little longer. Yay, Kirsty! It's her birthday? Question mark. That's in her title? Question mark. So say happy birthday to Kirsty. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Thanks for following. I don't know, I know you don't want others to see that you are following me. Yeah, thanks for following, whoever you are. Although I can see it. But yeah, I'll be there 7 a.m. tomorrow, Hollow Knight, and then we're continuing Godot on Thursday. I am putting a pause again on the sound design. I know that poor skill is not going forward much, but Godot Thursday, and then Blender Friday. Yes. See you there, and bye 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 bye.